Howdy ho, neighbor. What's up? Dave Knight here at 123daytrade.com. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. It's a new year, right? I know I've been gone for a while. Just want to say hello. Hello, everybody. How you doing? I hope you had a great new year so far. Today is Monday, February 6th, 2023. I'm going to be taking it easy in 2023. I am working, obviously, at the casino. Full-time at the casino. I'm in the grave shift, 4 a.m., 12 p.m., Wednesday through Sunday. I have Monday and Tuesday off. I perhaps will get Wednesday off and have a 4-day work week this year. I'm not sure about that yet, but I'm working on that. Another thing that I'm working on, attempting or trying to accomplish, is working in the insurance field again, and specifically in the Medicare Advantage, Medicare supplement industry. I am in the process of getting ready to sell. For those that know the terminology, that means that you're able to sell the product. Uh, Different carriers have different rules. For instance, I'm waiting on a ready to sell from United Healthcare. I got a ready to sell from Humana. I'm working on Aetna. I'm trying to get WellCare and maybe a couple others. Well, really, there's Highmark here, and then there's UPMC in my area. I know you don't really care about that stuff, but anyway, let's talk about trading this year. We're going to take it easy. I'm going to try to keep my losses to $500, and then my gains. Obviously, I want to try not to cap my gains, but if I'm in a loss, I'm looking to regain that loss and work my way from a loss standpoint. I can't find where my one thing is here. Hold on a second. See if I can get this thing to come up. There we go. Let me bring this over, see if I can get it over here. So this is a couple of things that let's keep track of. I'm on the 80% discount and 80%. I'm still at Apex Trader Funding. I haven't moved. I basically took off from December 27th all the way to roughly now. I traded this January 31st, and I lost about 450 bucks and closed out the trading station and decided that that was enough for the day. I was glad that I did that today. You can see I made 62 ticks or 620 bucks, and I was able to get back in the positive. Looking at the account, says 50,041. High mark in the account says right. Let me get my screen draw tool out so we can go through this a little bit. So here's the high on the account, 5,217. There's your aqua auto liquidate threshold value that I have to stay above. There's your current account balance. You can see that also coincides with this over there. Ignore that. That's a sim. It's where I usually work in the sim account to see what if I'm going to test something. That's about it for there. I was able to take advantage of. Let's bring this over here. Specifically, time frame related that I traded today was right in here. On this move up, I tried to capture the move that I thought would come back down. It didn't, but I was able to grab a little bit of profit on this move right in here. Actually, let me get rid of some of these lines here. And specifically, I was able to capture profit on this line right there. So I saw it top out, and I was able to capture, and this is a 15-minute chart. So in this 15-minute period of time, I was able to capture the 62 ticks and go positive on the account overall. Notice that it didn't want to stay there. It took me out, and then I stopped trading altogether. I noticed that I looked still trying to trade in a 30-minute window. I liked what I saw at the The 12, a little after 12 o'clock mark, after we had moved up, the next 15 minutes showed kind of a doji bar, and I took advantage of the next bar after that and traded that particular period of time. And notice I got the 62 ticks and decided to call it a day. That was specifically my trading day. I took advantage of the MACD and the Williams %R on the trade, and I was able to get a little bit of profit on the day. Actually, I guess get back to above break even pretty much, and go from there. If I go back to the trade setups that I liked, let's see if I can find where I was looking at specifically. So right here, here's where the trade setup came. Specifically, I attempted this area right here, and I attempted this area right here after we didn't break out decisively up. Specifically, here's where I made the money, coming down this way on trading 2 contracts, and I believe the exit was a little bit beyond here overall on the last contract trailing behind it. That was specifically my setup, specifically seeing what you see here. You can see that the markets were deciding to come down. I took advantage of that setup right now on, this is Williams %R up here, and this is my MACD setup here. You notice that the red line and the red line were higher. This was higher than this one. I took advantage of what I thought was a blip, and then coming back down, looking at that 15-minute chart, remember it was looking like this, going up, topping out, and then coming, I was looking for it to come back down and come down even further. It stopped, and I got out of the market. That, in a nutshell, was my trading day. All right, I'm going to keep it short and simple, try to at least. This is Dave Knight here from 123daytrading.com. Thank you for watching. Thank you for being here. I know I'm a busy guy. I'm going to try to update as I can as time moves forward. If you have any questions, comment down below. I don't really keep up with my website much anymore. This is the best place to reach me is at YouTube here, YouTube, on the video in the comment section below, or David at 123daytrade.com. I'm always available at the Outlook, David at 123daytrade.com. God bless. Take care. I'll see you in the next video I put together. Bye for now.